the 14 CSO and community leaders belonging to ACOAM, Kabui, Meitei Pangal and all like-minded other Rongmei leaders, including some other Meitei leaders, have come to Delhi to discuss the updation of NRC, which is a present demand of the people of Manipur. With regards to this, we have already met the officials of MHA again, where we had discussed the postponement of census and how to go about the detection and deportation of foreigners within NRC, as well as other Foreigners Act which is available within the Constitution of India. After that, today we have met Kiren Rijiju, the Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister, with whom we have discussed the implementation of various acts. If required, when and as and when required, it will be amended, and we have sought his support while such kind of amendment comes up in the Parliament. With regards to our demand for the updation of NRC, he has also mentioned that it is a very critical matter and he is in discussion with the Union Home Minister to take a decision at the earliest. So we have also informed him that the census should be postponed and secondly, Government of India should find a way on which the original Indian citizens can be identified, and delimitation should be frozen until and unless the process of identification of original Indian citizen is complete.